Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Facebook page to Meta Business Suite in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First is to go to business.facebook.com and log into your Meta Business Suite account. So this is what you'll see right after you sign in or log in onto the right account. So as you can see, I currently have my page in here or Facebook page. So if you click onto this drop down, you should be able to see the pages that you have onto that account, and you should also see your business portfolio in here. Unfortunately, my business portfolio is not working as of the moment, but I'm still going to show you in here on how we could add your Facebook page to that. So to connect your Facebook page with Meta Business Suite, just choose in a business portfolio in here like that. So since I don't have one yet, we're just going to visit settings for that. So you should be able to see the same thing onto your end if you have your own business account. So as you can see in here, you'll just have to hover in here once you have switched it onto your business suite and then click onto settings to get redirected here onto this page. Now, if you open settings, we have your users, accounts, and under accounts, we have here the pages. So you'll just have to simply click on pages in here. And right after that, if you have previously connected your account, you should be able to see that one here. So this is where you could see the pages connected to your business portfolio. But since my account is not working, I don't have that one in here. But to add one onto your end, we have here the add button. Click onto that. And there are three options to choose from. You could add an existing Facebook page, request shared access to a Facebook page, or you could simply create a new one. And since I have a page already, you could just simply click on add an existing Facebook page for that. Then right after, you'll just have to type the name in here in the search bar and select it. So for example, I'm going to type in my Facebook name in here, which is this one, the Paw Shop. So it should also show you the link or URL for that. Just click on next. And then the following people that have access to that specific page will have this one in review. So you'll just have to click on next. And then right after, it will just request approval. So you'll just have to agree to the terms for that and then claim page. So you'll just have to go ahead and confirm that through your email. And then right after, once added, Facebook will verify your ownership. So if you're an admin of the page, it will be connected instantly. Otherwise, you'll need the page owner to approve the request. And that is just basically it. Your Facebook page is now connected to Meta Business Suite, making it easier for you to manage the post, ads, and insight. And if you think that this tutorial has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.